These are brother kittens, Max and Milo. Max on the right, Milo on the left. They do everything together. They sleep together, they play together, they cuddle together, they eat together. There's the other bowl. Oh no, they're eating together. When we say they are bonded and they are best buddies, oh my goodness, are they ever. They are so sweet. To watch their behavior together is simply adorable. Now there we go. All right. They're fixed and up to date on their shots. How old are Max and Milo? They're young. We're just clarifying. They're just 6 months old. These are little kitties. Adorable orange kitties. Yeah, they're shy. So they're going to need some patience and time. But sometimes that's the best. When you give a kitty time and attention, and then they bond with you, you know? And I think they're going to bond over food and over playtime with you. They are very interested in essentially all types of toys. So I have been playing string toy with them. We've been playing with mice toys and balls. And they are just very playful, energetic, loving, very sweet kitties. You can see that Max decided he was done eating and he wants to play. Aren't they cute? This is great. I'm on the ground with them. I'm literally on the ground hanging out with them. We feed them canned food as well as dry kibble. They have treats. Hi there, sweetie. You want some food? All right, Max came back for a little bite. Max may be a little more shy, perhaps, than Milo. As Milo is enjoying his dinner, we remind you that Noah's Kingdom is an all-volunteer, no-kill animal shelter. To adopt any cat or kitten from Noah's Kingdom, the process is to fill out an application, and that is on our website. You can find a link on many of our posts here on Facebook. We are also on YouTube. We appreciate your feedback and comments. Please let us know you're watching this video. Have a fantastic day. And Max and Milo say thanks for watching.